Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people have requested me to make a motivational video on life. Today I am going to tell you a beautiful story which will change your mindset towards your life. Your thinking towards the pain of life. So are you feeling hurt or are you feeling trouble? Then just spend 3 more minutes and watch this video completely with 100% focus and your most of the question about life will be clear. So before moving ahead, do subscribe my channel for amazing content and press the bell icon for updates. So I'll start the story. In the middle of the beautiful city, there was a museum. The floor of the museum was made with the marble tiles, and at the center there was a huge statue as a part of display. Many people from all over the world visited museum every day, and all the people admired the beautifully crafted statue. One night, one of the marble tile on the floor started talking to the marble statue. Hey statue, we are originally from the same place. We were picked up from the same mine. Even we are transported on the same lorry. Even we are brought to the same sculpture. Then why do people from all over the world all the way here just to step on me? Why they admire and they praise so much to you? This is so unfair. The marble statue replied, my dear friend Utile, do you remember how we both of us sat there side by side in the sculpture's workshop in our original form as a marble block? And do you remember the sculptor chose to work on you first? He started his tool on you simply to turn you a masterpiece. But you resisted, you falling apart. Of course, I remember, said the marble tile. I hate that guy. How could he use those sharp tools on me? It hurts so badly. The marble statue continued. That's right. But when you could not take the pain of his tools, he decided to give up on you and start working on me instead. I knew that if I had to be something different, I have to bear the pain instead of resisting. I bore all the pain of the sharp tools he used on me. My dear friends, there is a price for everything in life. Since you decided to give up halfway, you cannot blame anybody who steps on you now. Life as a sculpture wants to make a masterpiece out of you. The question is whether you are ready to handle every test, every hard knock, every pain, every trouble, or admire you a role model. The pain that comes from these sculpting tools are just to make a masterpiece out of you, or crumble down simply to a normal tile, not a beautiful story. Choice is yours. What do you want in your life? A normal tile or a beautiful statue? That is what decides whether people step on you or admire you to become a role model or someone to emulate. So the pain in life is not to break you, but to make you. Do subscribe my channel, like and share.